Hi everybody.
Hi.
Welcome back to another episode of
FilAmstagram.
FilAmstaFarm. So we're at the farm here and Bing's cooking us bacon and eggs.
Woohoo! Our first breakfast here at the farm. We came here bright and early after we dropped off Miriam at her school nearby.
Yeah, so we're excited to get some full day of work done here. I want to get the parking area done where the van's going to go because it needs to be up higher on some cement. Because this place, every time it rains, it just turns into a pond. No, we don't want a pond here anymore, so...
No flood control.
No, so after I get the van in here, I'll just be able to start staging everything. We'll get our system going for our plants. We'll get the system going for the chickens. It's going to be like 2 chicken runs, 1 on each side of the property. So there'll be, quote-unquote, semi-free range, we'll say that, right? So we're going to get this breakfast into our tummies.
Our homemade keto bacon and eggs.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll be having our own eggs from our own hens, because that's the plan, man.
Yeah. All right, bon appetit. Oh, breakfast is over. That was a good breakfast, Bing.
Thank you.
Time to get to work.
All right.
My life, I'd still be slinging bags of cement over my shoulder.
Old habits die hard.
That's why I wore the collar shirt today. Blue collar.
Oh, okay.
So the allergy wouldn't get to my neck.
Oh, okay. Now I'm just taking a break because it started to rain. And of course, when you're working outdoors, you're subject to the winds of the elements. And within 2 seconds, the sun came out. It's still raining, I think, isn't it? And the sun is eager to dry everything up, hopefully, because it would really help. And now look who's working in style.
Yeah, much better, much better. Thank you, baby.
Yeah, so I had put up this tarpaulin overhead just because, you know, I married a white man, not a fake one. And he's turning red now from the heat.
Okay, so what's your task for the moment, Bing?
Well, for now I'm going to measure out how much the gate is going to open. It's going to be up to here, up to this. And then from here onwards, we're going to have to put PVC for both a fence and a hydroponic system. And underneath there will be like, I don't know.
Chicken run. Yeah, so chickens underneath and plants above. It's gonna be beautiful. All right, let's get to work.
One, 2, 3, 4.
Reduce, reuse, recycle. We ran out of gravel, so
He's making gravel.
no time to go get more. The rain's coming. I know.
Wow. Nagtanim na rin ako ng kamote. Medyo malalaki na yung aking mga tomato plants.
Okay, so I started on our drainage problem. As I said before, every time it rains, this whole place turns into a pond, especially like that side. So what I'm doing is I've got my hoe together. I'm leveling out this area because everything would just, the rain would hit and just run straight down. So I'm isolating two different areas, and this is going to be a little garden area. This will be a garden area, and then we have our meandering path here. We got these for our van. After we put the shower in the back of our camper van, we would set these out so we could shower and not be in the mud if we were out camping somewhere, or not be in the sand if we were at the beach. You know, you could have these. They're indoor, outdoor, so they're really preserved well.
And they're interlocking, so they stay in place.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make them so they have a concrete base below them, so we'll be able to take them when we get our own property one day. Transfer them. So every two is just going to have, it's going to be kind of glued together with concrete. So we just got 20 more from Lazada, so
Lazada.
Of course, I got rained out today, but I just had some coffee, so maybe, and it's not raining anymore, so maybe I'll get back to work. Yeah, see, these are a little bit lighter than these, but it doesn't really matter.
A little mud will even them up.
And we'll interchange them. So it's all speckled about.
Yeah.
All right. Exciting. This is going to be a beautiful place in just a couple of weeks. Yeah, the path's going to go to under the awning of the van. So the van will be parked where the tarp is, and then the awning comes out 3 meters. And this will go right to underneath the awning. So for a place like this that gets this much rain, you know, it had this kind of raised path.
I like it.
Yeah. I think that's pretty close to how it's going to be. All right, he's taking over. This was the volunteer.
Yeah. This is mystery.
Different color. Look at that. It's almost like a, I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Variegated kind of, or is that like some kind of disease? But it looks pretty healthy.
Yeah, it looks healthy to me. It looks healthier than the ones that I had pruned. These ones, these are Avatar tomatoes, and this one we're not so sure because it just volunteered to.
Maybe you can get an ID.
Yeah.
Or will it just say tomato?
It will just say tomato.
What if you say, what variety of tomato is this?
Probably. And as for Miriam, she has never been happier. Being surrounded by neighbors' kids that are happy to welcome her into their fold. She even learned a new sport, volleyball, which her new playmates are patiently teaching her. This solid sense of community is something new for Miriam because living in a tourist condo, there are no children that she can regularly play with. But here, she has all the friends that she could ever want. Now we have to move some soil so that we can level the ground so that the rainwater doesn't flood in the lower areas. Bakit parang mas madaling gawin to nung grade 5 ako at araw-araw namin ginagawa to sa agriculture class?
rough week, but we're getting progress done through all the tropical depression, LPA. What else, big?
Volcanic eruptions. All in day's work, you know.
There won't be any more soup here, I don't think. I got a lot of it leveled out, being helped today, so we're able to move a lot of earth, as you can see in the video. So we'll keep plugging away, even if there's bad weather, and we're only able to work half days. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.
Yeah. If you haven't, please subscribe to our channel. Sending love from Amadeo, Cavite.